people. This is Nidhi from Edulyx, powered by Science Adda, and I hope all of you are doing well and coping well with COVID-19. So today we are going to do a very important experiment. It will help you in many different regards. We are going to learn how to extract starch from potato. So what do we need for that? So I have this potato and I'm going to peel it first. So as you can see, I have peeled this potato now. Now I'm going to grate it. So you can take a grater. As I have a small grater, I'll grate it. So as you can see, now I have grated the potato and now I'll put it into water. And leave it for 10 minutes or so. So now I'm going to separate the potato from this mixture. Now I'll pour this remaining water into this so that whatever water, potato is left goes up the sieve and the starch water goes below. Now we'll let it sit for some time. So this sat for 10 minutes and now I'm going to pour the excess water into this bowl. Pour it slowly so that starch does not flow with the water. So as you can see in this cup that there is starch that is settled at the bottom of the cup. This happened because starch is a polysaccharide that is hydrophobic in nature and does not dissolve with water. So why do we need potato starch and why did we separate it? So potato starch is an excellent binding agent and it is used as a replacement for egg in baking cakes, and it is also used as a binding agent in making chili potato or french fries. Furthermore, it can also be used as a natural bleach and can be used to remove dark spots on skin. Also, you can find its uses in tapestry and textiles because it can be used to starch your cotton saris and make them crease free. So you can use this starch and make it naturally in your home, and if you dry it and make it in powdered form, you can store it for a very long time and you do not need to make it again and again. Hope you like the video, and also tell us in the comment section below if you were able to separate potato starch from this process or not, and what was the difficulty if you are not able to separate it. Also, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Edulyx, powered by Science Adda, and see you again in the next video.